Today we're going to be looking at a brand new trading strategy that's going to make Andrew Tate cry because there's a new top G in town, guys. But before I go any further, I have one burning question for you. I'd love to know your thoughts on AI and what kind of emerging technology you think will change the world of trading in the next 5 years. Drop your comments down below, and every Friday I give a random comment away 100 USDT. So let's go and meet the new top G. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at a trading strategy which is inspired by no-nonsense Forex. Before I go any further, even my intro was completely inspired by this resource. I really suggest going to have a look at the No-Nonsense Forex YouTube channel, as they really have some amazing resources on that channel. We're going to be looking at a trading strategy which I've called the top G. It's going to be using the GChannel indicator, which I've never backtested before. So without further ado, let's get over to my screen and let's have a look at this trading strategy. Okay, here I am on Tradingview. This is the platform where I backtest all of my trading strategies. I've got over 50 trading strategies backtest now, all inside of here where you can see all of my settings and everything. All of the great things like the win rates and my settings for each and every trading strategy. I use this program because it allows us easily to backtest trading strategies inside of our browser, and you can also automate using things like a middleman service and their alert services. Today we're going to be looking at an indicator that I found on this website. This website is the one I was talking about. It's no-nonsense Forex. It's stonehillforex.com. They have a really great resource of indicators which you don't find elsewhere, and I've randomly picked a couple here to try and build a trading strategy which will be profitable on the 1 hour time frame BTC USDT. We're going to be backtesting it. Okay, to complete and build a full trading strategy, we follow the rules of NNFX on this channel. We look for a entry or a trend direction, and then we look for a couple of other indicators to create confirmations of our entry. That means that we're trying to filter out some of these bad results like this one here, or areas around here like this, where market isn't trending enough for us to take an entry. We also use an indicator for our stop loss and take profit. Okay, so let's start adding the other indicators for confluence. So the first one we're going to be adding is the HEMA, which is the Halt Exponential Moving Average by Everget here. That's going to add this red and green line here. I'm going to change the results of the alpha to 80, and we're going to make it a little bit thicker for YouTube. And there we go, perfect. So as you can see, it gives us a little bit more confirmation of the trend direction. For instance, here, it would have given you the sell, but it would have filtered out this buy here, which would have been absolutely perfect. Okay, now we're going to add a couple more indicators. We're going to add the volume flow by Lazy Bear, one of my favorite indicators. It is very, very good at filtering out bad entries. Let me just go and change the colors very quickly. Boom. Okay, that's a little bit thicker so we can see it on YouTube. And then the other thing that I'm going to do is change our coefficients to 2.5. That seems to be the best results that I get with Tradingview backtesting. Okay, so these are the three indicators that we're going to be using. Once again, it's the G trend, we have the HEMA, and we have the volume flow. We're looking for everything to line up to take our entries, and then we're going to be using another indicator which I'll show you in a second for the stop loss and take profits. Let's have a look here. Okay, so we have our green G trend here. We have also our green line for the HEMA. We're waiting for the orange line to go under the green line just like this, which would have given us our entry just here. So we're going to take our entry on the next candle just here, just like that. Now for the stop loss and take profits, we're going to be using another indicator called the ATR bands. It's by David Tech. It's this one here. It adds these squiggly lines here, which are the ATR bands, and helps us to set our take profit and stop loss. Now, I've been through the ATR bands several times on my channel, but I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker so that we can see it. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to set our ATRs to 1.6. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. We're going to set our stop loss to the low of the candle, well, the ATR of the candle of our entry here. We're going to be looking for a take profit of 2, just like that. Perfect. That would have been a very, very quick entry. We could even trail this to get better settings. I will continue optimizing as always as part of the Elite Backtesters. The Elite Backtesters is part of the David Tech community. We are a subgroup of backtesters trying to find the best settings, and if you participate, you get access to all of the best settings that we've found since the beginning. There's hundreds of them on a wide set of coin pairs, and the whole idea is it's for everybody to be able to diversify their portfolios and be able to forward test these trading strategies using a platform that I built. As always, you can find links to Patreon to become part of David Tech down in the description below. Okay, so if I continue along, we'll look for a sell here. We could see a sell. We're in a red zone just here with a red candle. We are above here, so we would have actually been able to get in just here. Now, if I set the short position on this candle just here, we would have had our ATR. We would have had a very, very small position just here like this, and we would have a winning trade of 1 to 2 risk to reward as well just here. Boom. Okay, I know the trades look extremely small. As I said earlier, you can trail it, and I will be fully backtesting this with minimum stop losses and take profits to make sure that everything stays profitable, even when we have things like commission and slippage involved. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to go away and now code this, and I will be back in a couple of seconds.
Come on, David, and once again he's going to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Before I go any further, guys, a huge thanks to Bybit, who've always supported our community. If you're looking for reductions on your trading fees, use the link below in the description. You can also get a load of huge bonuses when you first deposit on Bybit. Huge thanks once again to them. And if you're looking for an alternative with no KYCs, there's also links below to TooBit and BingX down below in the description. Okay, back to the video. Okay, drum roll please. Here we go. Here is the top 3 trading strategy and its backtesting results. As you can see, there are some red months and green months. We're mixed between the two, which can be quite healthy as well, because if you're diversifying as well, you can't expect every trading strategy to be a winner every month. We have a win rate of 50%, 51% almost. Max wins in a row was 9, max losses in a row were 6. Let's have a look at the wonderful equity curve to see whether it is as good as it looks. As you can see, it does look pretty good. As you can see, the equity curve is going in the right direction. When you look at the buy to hold, which is this blue line below, we're obviously on a winning trading strategy. We have a net profit of 722%. 144 closed trades, which is a good number to start. We have a percent profitable of 50, almost 51%, 50.69%, a profit factor of 1.86. Our max drawdown was 26.3%, which is a little bit high, but I did say at the beginning of this video, I will be continuing to optimize this trading strategy. Let's have a look at some of these other statistics. The buy to hold would have been 22%, minus 22%, so we absolutely smashed that with the 722% profit. We seem to be doing a lot better in the shorts than the actual longs, so it's maybe something that we can work on, maybe taking a smaller take profit on the longs than the shorts to increase that win rate on the longs. It may even be better to completely stop this longs and only use this trading strategy as a shorting trading strategy. So as you can see, it seems to be quite a good trading strategy. This really is the minimum number of indicators that I use, which is 2 confirmation indicators. I really do think we can work on this to make it better. I actually back tested it with just the GChannel as well, and it was stayed profitable as well. So maybe we can mix in some of the other indicators off of that indicator library to make make something even better in the future. I've listed down below in the description the name of all the indicators so you can trade this for free if you're doing it manually. If you'd like to become part of the David Tech Patreon and get access to this trading strategy, which you'll be able to trade with bots, we will also be forward testing it on our forward testing platform, so you'll be able to see the live results as well. Without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Happy New Year to anybody that I haven't actually spoken to yet. Don't forget, for anybody that puts a comment down below, you may win 100 USDT, and I'm also giving away a iPad on Wednesday. Without further ado, guys, take care, keep safe, keep coding, trade like a boss, and I will see you in the next video or on the live stream on Wednesday. Goodbye, everybody. Take care.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.